Let us understand the step-by-step process of using Marketing Insights page in Strategic ERP. This form gives you an overview of campaign analytics, cost incurred per campaign, lead sources, total number of lead count and the cost average per lead. Navigate to the Marketing Insights form under the Leads Management module. In this section, you can view dashboards such as Marketing Insights, Top Source Channels, and Top Source Leaders. Under the Top Source Channels dashboard, you can analyze lead sources and their performance. The Top Source Leaders dashboard offers insights into the performance of digital platforms. To create a new source for a campaign, click on the plus icon. Select the name of company and project name. Enter the campaign name. Select the source of the campaign. Select the start date of the campaign. To link a purchase order with the campaign, check the link with PO checkbox. Enter the source name. You can also enter the source address and contact number. Check the Enable Inbound Calls checkbox. Enter the incoming number, along with other details such as username, contact number, start time, and end time. Under the form name for this source drop-down, you can select options like Customer Service and Complaints, if applicable. Check the Enable Inbound Mail checkbox to link the source with any budget, if applicable. Select the channel partner name to link the campaign with a partner. Enter the budget acquired for the selected source. You can upload a PDF file for reference, if available. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. Under the Marketing Insights tab, you can view lead counts on a monthly, weekly or till date basis. Source channels and source leaders will be updated automatically based on the monthly, weekly and till date parameters. You can also select date manually to fetch customized reports. Under the Marketing Insights tab, you can view the total number of leads, interested, site visits, and bookings, along with the average cost. To view details of a lead source, click on a source under the Top Source Channels tab. Data such as site visits, follow-ups, negotiations, quotations, and bookings. Leads can be filtered on a monthly basis. You can also select a new lead source directly from the drop-down. To view lead details by digital source, click on a specific source. You can view the booking status of the leads. Click on a specific lead to check detailed customer information. The process of using the Marketing Insights page is now complete.